Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my part 3 of my deep cleaning series. And today I'm going to be tackling our living room and our dining area as well. And I'm going to be starting off with cleaning our sofa covers. These always tend to be stained with yogurts or drinks. And if you guys are new here, I do have twin 2-year-old boys. It always seems to get dirty within a week or two. So I'm going to start off with doing that. And I hope you guys stay tuned and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I'm just being realistic and tackling my deep cleaning by sections. I've been doing my deep cleaning week by week, and I hope this inspires you guys to tackle your homes and however you can. You don't have to do everything in a day or in a week, but as long as you get it done, then you guys are definitely on the right track. I hope you guys stay tuned. I'm going to be playing some motivational music for you guys, and let's get right into it.
go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place we all make and just be alone, be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like we survived, feeling it shine under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you rode off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, chasing you. Trying to find a place where we can be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like we survived, feeling it shine under your spotlight. We all make them just be alone. Like we survived under your spotlight.
Hey, you, I saw you from the distance. Hey, you, can we talk? Hey, you, I think you're my subsistence. Hey, you, or am I wrong? And now I lose my own slide. My love is out of my mind. And you, I'm not more than a
Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this deep cleaning episode. I hope you guys enjoyed and got some inspiration. I did change a lot because this took about 2 days. And like I said, I don't do everything in one day because, you know, that's mom life. And on top of being a mother, I am a wife. So I have a lot of things on my plate. But I'm so happy with how the carpets turned out. They definitely needed a good deep cleaning, as you can see. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I would love it for you guys to join my YouTube family. And don't forget to turn on your bell notifications to not miss out on any future content, because I am probably going to do one more episode depending how much I get done. But I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.